Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular air fryer ovens, the Nuwave Brio 7in-1 and the Ninja DZ401 Foodi. We will be evaluating them based on various categories to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons. The Ninja Foodi wins in this category with its 10-quart capacity and 2 independent 5-quart zones, allowing you to cook up to 8 lbs of chicken wings or 2 different foods at the same time. The Nuwave Brio has a slightly smaller capacity of 6 quarts, but comes with a premium stainless steel reversible rack that allows for multi-layer cooking. Both air fryer ovens offer versatile cooking functions such as air frying, roasting, baking, and dehydrating. The Nuwave Brio provides 100 pre-programmed menu presets, while the Ninja Foodi includes 6 cooking programs and DualZone Technology that allows you to cook 2 different foods 2 ways and with different settings. The Nuwave Brio incorporates linear T technology that fine-tunes the temperature settings and maintains the set temperature throughout the cooking process to ensure perfect results. On the other hand, the Ninja Foodi comes with IQ Boost that optimally distributes power across each basket to cook food quickly and with less fat. The Nuwave Brio is priced at $109, while the Ninja Foodi costs $199. Both air fryer ovens are great options in terms of functionality and performance, but if you're on a budget, the Nuwave Brio might be the better choice. Both air fryer ovens have easy-to-clean baskets and dishwasher-safe crisper plates, making cleaning a breeze. However, the Nuwave Brio's ultra non-stick air circulation riser is great for grilling and air frying and can be easily cleaned with a damp cloth. And there you have it, a comparison between the Nuwave Brio 7in-1 and Ninja DZ401 Foodi air fryer ovens. Both products have unique features and advantages, but it ultimately depends on your personal preferences and needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons in the future.